Oxford Phonics World Readers, Level 5, Dawn's Hiccups, by Lynn Robertson. Illustrated by Nina Mata. Published and copyrighted by Oxford University Press.
Every day is a big surprise.
Dawn enters a competition. She will sing on television.
Heck, heck, heck.
Dawn is nervous.
Oh no, I can't sing. I have hiccups.
Dawn's mother gives her a scare.
Surprise! Heck, heck.
Dawn still has hiccups.
Put your fingers in your ears. Heck.
But Dawn still has hiccups.
Suck on a slice of lemon.
Heck.
But Dawn still has hiccups. A nurse gives Dawn a glass of water.
Drink it upside down.
Dawn's hiccups go. She is happy. She combs her hair. The music plays. She sings her song.
I live in the city and I have a giraffe. He sleeps in a big square cage. I ride him to school, he's very strong. He's orange and black and his legs are long.
It's beautiful. The crowd shouts and cheers.